Hello and welcome to SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin. Today we're looking at a 2017 Harris Sunliner 200 on its own trailer in great condition with a Mercury 60 horse CT 4-stroke. Top side on the Harris 200. Tan interior, all in excellent condition. It's got the center walkthrough, dual helm floor plan, which is very popular. Got your Lawrence, fuel, RPM, trim, Bluetooth Fusion sound system, and very clean all the way throughout. This boat is listed on its trailer for $34,995 here at Pewaukee, SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin.